presented to you by Mr. YouTuber. Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. You're watching Mr. YouTuber channel, and presently right now I'm in Evjala side near my house. I'll be showing you near my house side and the shops near me and the beautiful sceneries around me. So it would be amazing to watch this channel. So stay tuned. It's windy right now. The weather is like windy. You can see my hairs flying and all, and yeah, it's pretty amazing now weather. It's like, the weather is like cold and like hot, as well as the sun rays are coming, as well as the wind is coming too. So it's beautiful now. It's a perfect time to move outside and have fun. So yeah, so this is what, as you can see, I've come to the park near me, which is this Ecologic Eğitim Çocuk Park, Evcila Baldisi. I've come to the park side and you can see, mashallah, greenery over here everywhere. Amazing, yaar, subhanallah. It's beautiful here. And yeah, it's amazing. यार मन करता है यार कोई भी नहीं, वो there is no one here actually. There's no one. Don't worry, I'll edit it, don't worry.
क्या हुआ? ये वो है ना, ये नर्सरी एरिया.
Yeah, this is nursery area actually, so kids would be coming, but I think now it's actually everyone has gone to today. Actually it's holiday anyways, but I think during weekend they'll come actually night time after, like 4 to 5 in the evenings and all. They might be coming here this side. The sun has the perfect sun has risen up. Video problem değil evet. Hani problem değil evet.
Anlamadım.
Burada
Yok
problem.
çekin ondan sonra işini.
Yeah, evet. Actually, they were asking why have you come here. So I just told them I just came to see the wedding hall. Wow, this is amazing. See the wedding hall. It's beautiful everywhere. You can see it. MashaAllah. Flowers are decorated well. You can see the lights, beautiful lights with the flowers hanging on the ring side, on the above rings. Okay, so this is what. It's amazing, man. Beautiful hall. And that too in park side, in the park area. So this is what. It's amazing here. Beautiful, mashallah. You can see sitting area and the bride, groom standing area also. So this is what all about. They have closed it because there is no wedding right now. I think when there is occasions, on the occasions they'll open up all the rings and all. But right now there is nothing much to see. Yeah, so this is what. Okay. See here, this is the security room, sitting area, security area. Okay. Yeah, chale. Okay, thank you, ma'am. Tashakkallah, ma'am. Could you please tell me what is this? This is amazing, right? This is something amazing, yaar. Oh man, this is amazing. Wow. Yeah, you can have fun, yaar. It's like I feel like coming. I'm still in India this side. When I come here, I see this greenery, right? I feel like I'm in India. My place, Mangalore side, Mangalore Udupi side. This is amazing here. It's pretty amazing. I don't know what is this stand. I think this is the area to stand and see everywhere. I don't know what it is. They have built it. Oh my goodness. I fell down. Wow, this is amazing. You have a shop here and with those sitting area. They have made it decorative amazingly. See this sitting area as well as it's pretty amazing type. Lights. This is amazing, yeah. And those who want to have amazing areas to play here. India actually, so you can see my hair is becoming spicy, wacky and all. So I'm gonna show you something special here. This is beautiful over here. Subhanallah. So amazing, yaar. Weather is windy, the waves are flowing, and you can see the buildings far away over there, that side. Subhanallah. You can see, oh, now the sun rays are hitting my face. It's pretty awesome. People started to come also here. No one is there right now. I don't know why. It's amazing now weather into this area. I'm going downside. I'll show you the view. Wow, amazing man. Subhanallah. क्या बात है भाई. Feel the vibe, man. Feel the nature. Are you feeling the nature, baby? Discover the Babu is here. Introduce yourself, brother. Mr. Tisham Bhai. Come on. Hi viewers, this is Mr. Tisham with me here now. He's my roommate actually. So he's having fun with the water, you can see here. He's enjoying with the water. It's amazing. Where am I standing here? See it. It's amazing, yaar. Wow. Feel the nature with me. Feel the nature. Must. There were some students coming here, right? Like children. कुछ लोग आए थे ना उधर इस तरफ. Some students or some boys, they had come and they have gone. I thought they would come and enjoy here, but they have already left. So we are enjoying. Me and Tisham Bhai is enjoying together here. So it's pretty amazing here. Tisham Bhai, do you have net? Do you have net? Wi-Fi? क्या फिर मिल जाता है थोड़ा सा? कुछ नहीं ऐसे हम लोग उधर ही जाके आते थे. मुझे पहले वो वैसे भी रिचार्ज करना था. That side, that side. I am total recharge my phone. हो गई 15 मिनट हो गए.
अच्छा खासा हो गया भाई.
यार कुछ अबे भाई ब्लॉग तो बन गया लेकिन बातें कंटेंट भी तो होनी चाहिए ना यार. भाई बातें भी तो होनी है. देखे तो देखते हैं यार. We are drinking tea right now, Turkish tea. क्या मज़ा है ना? मज़ा आ रहा है? Turkish tea? Amazing यार. Turkish tea is something amazing. It's like it's famous here in Istanbul, Turkey side. Turkish chai. Most of the tourists prefer Turkish chai. You can see here. This is Turkish tea. I'm just shaking it so that it gets ready. I like sugar with sugar. Prefer without sugar also you can, but I like sugar. So I'm adding some sugar, three pieces of sugar. Sugar comes in this packet, this type of packet. So adding sugar. I add 3 pieces of sugar so that it gets tasty. So some sort of taste might come. Wow, it's pretty amazing. I loved it. Yeah. What type of vlog you want to make?
I have different बनाऊंगा वीडियोस बताऊं.
इंशाल्लाह. तो कभी मौका आएगा कि नहीं?
आएगा.
इंशाल्लाह.
जी शॉर्ट्स पड़ी नहीं है मेरे पास.
हाँ, you have the shot. Edit, you have to edit up. It's pretty amazing, huh? What can we say? Furious that everything is flying here and there. क्या कर सकते हैं? Because of the wind I can't speak properly. I can't talk. Actually the weather is changing, right? That's the reason, right? Ehtisham bhai. Huh?
Hallo, merhaba.
Hello brother. This is
Nasılsın? İyi, iyi. Çalışıyor mu?
This is the person.
Anladın
This
mı?
is his shop. This is his shop actually. So we have come to his shop. It's amazing, amazing person. People here, yeah, you can find good people here. Sometimes there are some black sheep in every society, right? So yeah, but still, yeah, people are amazing here. Nice kind people. Enjoy the team. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. क्या हुआ है दिशाम भाई? क्या सोच रहे हैं आप दिशाम भाई? हाँ? What are you thinking?
What do you think?
I'm thinking.
I am thinking it's too much airy. Weather is changing towards the evening.
Yeah. Tell something much more so that our viewers can know.
How you feel after drinking Turkish tea for the next year?
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. I've had some tea. I have added 3 sugars and pretty amazing actually. Turkish tea is famous here, right?
Yes, Turkish is all over.
They sit and they speak for some time and people come here and they speak here, they chit chat and have some tea here. It's a tradition over here. I see everywhere, you know, like most of the shops and in masjid also, you know, outside they prefer to like have some tea. I've noticed here that, so they come here with their friends, they have tea and they have chit chat together, they have some fun. It's amazing here. So that's the tea culture over here. Here you have people sitting here. This is the tradition here, you know, in Istanbul. So in Turkey, they come and they chit chat and have some tea here. Like a theater type, you know. Students can, audience can come sit here and watch the show. जिंदगी में जीना है तो कुछ भी चलेगा, हाँ.
जिंदगी में जीना है तो मेंटोस तो लेना पड़ेगा ना.
मेंटोस. एकदम झकास.
जिंदगी में जीना है तो मेंटोस तो लेना पड़ेगा ना मेरे भाई.
मेरे मेंटोस भाई,
जिंदगी-
मेंटोस खा लो. अगर भाई बोल रहे तो मेंटोस खाना है भाई. You have to eat Mentos to make your life जकास. एहतिशाम भाई कह रहे हैं कि तुझे कोई नहीं देखेगा. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि मुझे चाहने वाले बहुत हैं.
चाहने
कि
वाले
कोई तो देख लेगा यार भाई. इस उम्मीद से मैं चल रहा हूँ. आप मुझे ऐसे ही मतलब प्यार देते रहें यार, मेरी हिम्मत बढ़ाते रहें. होप दैट यू वुड give me some support and love so that I can continue my such videos in future. So yeah, एहतिशाम भाई
जी भाई.
देख लेते हैं इंशाल्लाह. मेरे चाहने वाले तो होंगे ही,
तेरे चाहने वाले
मेरे देखने वाले. प्यारी प्यारी आँखें देखते होंगे मुझे. क्या क्या इधर ही है ट्रक, चल इधर जाएंगे. I have come to recharge. मैं अभी इधर आया हूँ. I have come to recharge my phone. It's Turkcell actually. I have come to Turkcell to recharge my phone. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. अभी been recharge yapmak istiyorum.
paket mi istiyorsun?
Paket 5 GB. 5 GBs. I'll do 5 GBs today. 5 GB के आते हैं. I'm doing 5 GB. I'm recharging 5 GB.
Number?
Ben sana göstereceğim.
Senin şu var mı abi?
Nerede var? Burada var. Bu number. Bu numarası. कर रहे हैं भाई. मेकिंग रिचार्जिंग माई फ़ोन एक्चुअली. करेंगे
तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे?
ऐसे ही बस बातें करते रहेंगे. क्या कहोगे?
इसके बारे में
ऐसे ही यार. कल इंडिया पाकिस्तान की मैच है. हाँ भाई, कौन जीतेगा? Who will win? India or Pakistan? India will win, bro. India will win.
we will see and after the match I will
We'll
counter
show
you.
Let's see tomorrow. वक्त बताएगा भाई. Time will show. Time will reveal tomorrow. Let's see who's gonna win tomorrow.
6-0.
India has defeated 2 times, by the way. Let's see now what will be the result tomorrow.
Pakistan
We'll show you.
will show you on tomorrow and we will win the Asia Cup.
Let's see, bhai.
Let's see.
Your words are there coming from your mouth, but let's see tomorrow what happens. Okay, guys. Tomorrow will be the interesting day. Tomorrow, final match.
Subscribe channel. Subscribe.
See, brother. देखो, my brother is telling you to subscribe, so don't forget to subscribe.